It always works.
Oh, because you had stoppers, so that...
Yeah, because my computer not working.
But it's working now?
No, I find a way to put the footage from my camera on my phone.
No.
Go. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, good night. You want to see Faves? Ta-da!
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Go for your lunchbox. Go for your lunchbox. Hi, Faves. The camera is back. My camera is back. Though I still haven't get my computer to work, I find a way to put my footage from my camera on my phone. So hopefully I can still have my good quality back, and I'm excited about that. Say good
Morning.
Did you hear?
Good morning.
Okay, good job.
Good morning.
The kids are getting ready to head to activity center because school is on vacation. So when school is on vacation, that's what they do, go to activity center.
We're going to up school.
We call it up school. Where's your bag? Look at your bag. So that's what we're doing right now, and I'm heading out to the gym because I'm on the afternoon shift today. Oh, look who is here. They've been asking you because you weren't in the previous vlog.
Oh.
Papa.
Was the man behind the phone? No.
Papa.
Because the last video was Tyler cooking, so it was just me and Tyler and Sarah. Okay, so we're heading out right now and we gotta go. Sarah, go for your jacket. Tyler, go for your jacket. Guys, say bye-bye. Say see you later.
Bye.
Anyway, you guys.
I'm supporting Manchester City for this night.
For this night or for this day?
For
for
this day.
tonight?
Yes.
They playing today?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see if they lose or they win. Anyway, you guys, I gotta run so I can. After gym I go. It's cold in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It feels so good to be back with you guys on my camera. Oh my god. Feels so good. Feels so good. Who's your guy? After the gym I go right now. Take you guys to the gym with me for a bit. Alright. So let's get a little gym session in. Here we go. And that's a wrap on workout. I am exhausted, I'm tired, but it's better to feel this way and knowing that I got my workout in every time than beat myself up for not getting it in. I rather feel tired. I'll take tired and exhaustion every day over not doing my workout. Anyway, you guys, I am back home. It is so cloudy and looking sad outside. Oh, I'm in so much pain. But it's time for me to get me some breakfast slash lunch. I really don't eat breakfast. I don't eat breakfast because I cannot work out, or I hate working out after I eat. I have to work out first before I eat. And because I work out first before I eat, then by the time I get back home, it is 11 o'clock. So it doesn't make sense having breakfast anymore. And I have to leave the house by 1 o'clock to get to work. So I just have like an hour and a half to kill. And then I'm off to work. So my breakfast usually doesn't change. Or should I say my brunch doesn't change. So I normally have a bunch of eggs, probably like 4 eggs always. And if I'm going to have it scrambled, I just scramble it. And if I'm gonna have an omelette, then I just have it with some cheese in the middle. And I'll have probably some tomatoes and some avocado, and that's it for breakfast. And that's been my breakfast for a while. I don't like to really change things up. And then I'll jump right into snacking like about 4 p.m. I'll have some grapes at my desk or some nuts. And then dinner will fall like about 6 o'clock, where I have veggies only, no starch. So it will be like broccoli or green beans and protein, which is 90% of the time chicken. But otherwise it's fish or filet mignon. Basically those are the 3 protein that I stick to. But yeah, let's have brunch. Brunchy brunch. What are you guys having for breakfast today? Because I know a lot of you guys watch the vlogs in the morning when you watch, or what time of day it is. What did you have to eat recently? Like, did you just snack? Did you just have lunch? Did you just have breakfast? Did you just have dinner? Tell me, comment down below and tell me what you just eat. Especially the Jamaicans, so I can drool if you say patty or jerk chicken or some soup or some porridge or anything Jamaican, so I can feel jealous. You guys, it feels so good talking to you guys again on the camera. You guys have no idea. I am trying my best to be really intentional about vlogging, because there are so many memories or moments has passed that I didn't get to freeze, and I've gotten so many messages from you guys. I know you guys have missed us so much. The kids are growing up so fast, so I'll try and keep you guys in the loop as much as possible. Going forward, I think I figure out how to transfer my footage from my camera to my phone and edit on my phone. So I'm gonna try that and see if it's a success, so that I can get back my good quality and everything. So bear with me guys, bear with me. I have so much to tell you guys, so much to tell you guys, but I like to see things through first, through the process, and then I tell you when it comes to fruition. But I have so much to share with you guys. I'm so excited. But yeah, you know I'm gonna share, right? You know Belly's gonna share. Anyway, you guys, let's get my eggs. Let's get my eggs. I also took 2 wellness days from work tomorrow, so I'll be off for the next 2 days, and I asked for my 2 day offs to fall right after the 2 wellness days, so I'll be off for consecutive 4 days. So I think we might do a spontaneous road trip tomorrow, and if that's the case, of course I'm taking you guys along. So don't miss those vlogs if that's the case. We will make the decision tonight what we're gonna do. But the kids are on vacation. They get vacation every 5 weeks. If you guys haven't been following us for a while and know how the French system works here, the kids get vacation from school every 5 weeks, and they're on their 2 weeks right now. So every 5 weeks they get 2 weeks break. But in our case, because we're working parents and we don't have family around and we don't have much friends around, our kids have to go to the activity center when it's vacation period. So it's like going to school. It's just that they go to that school to do activities, and the activity center that they go to, the school that they go to, is just up the street, because their school is not one of the school that does activity center during vacation time. But anyway, we take these days off just to make it feel for them like they were really on vacation. So that's why we want to take them away for a few days before they return back to school on Monday. Anyway, I'm having some tomatoes already washed, and I'm going to cut up some my tomatoes finish. I need to go to the supermarket. I'm gonna cut up some avocado, and I'm going to make a big omelette, and then I'm gonna have 2 small tangerine with that, and that will be good enough for me. Okay, and voila, brunch is ready. Give you guys a good shot of that. Yummers. And that's it. Oh, after I finish eating that, I'll have these. So there we go. Anyway guys, enough of my chit-chatting. See you guys, bye. Okay my darlings, I am ready to head out to work, and I intend to have a good day as per usual. So I have to make a few little stops before I reach work. So I'm heading out about 10 minutes in advance today. Anyway you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated as usual. I love you guys, and hopefully you guys will get to see the kids after this clip, because I'll be leaving the camera home. So love you, gotta leave you. Have a good productive day. I'm out.
Non, c'est juste qu'on va le mettre.